If you have lost sending privileges on your Apple ID, you can restore them by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check Apple ID status. Visit the Apple ID account page and sign in. Check if there are any alerts or notifications regarding your account status that may indicate why your sending privileges are restricted. Step 2. Review account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your account settings. Ensure that all information is up to date, including your recovery email and phone number, as this can affect your account privileges. Step 3. Verify payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication for added security. This can help restore your sending privileges. Go to the security settings and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Contact Apple Support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, reach out to Apple Support for assistance. Provide them with details about your account and the issue you are facing so they can help restore your sending privileges. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on your Apple ID. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from Apple Support.